Alright guys, welcome back to Mark Productions, and yes, Mike in here still because of his personal problems, but anyway, I brought back OMGJP because he's just too awesome to hang out with. But anyway guys, he really wanted to do the Speech Jammer since me and Mike did it, and he thought that we were so funny in it that we thought we should do it to him instead. So, how about we try it out? So, what story are you going to talk about?
Well, I don't know. I heard it could work with anything, so I'll probably end up doing, I'll just talk about sports in general. It doesn't have anything really, like the story won't be affiliated with me. Just going to talk about something and see what happens. I personally think I'm immune to this. We're running a few demos before this, but this is the real deal, so I don't know what to expect really.
I say he's going to fail.
I don't know. I'm just going to talk about sports and stuff, alright?
Okay, sounds good to me.
Ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm ready. Tell me when you're ready.
Action. Oh god, I can hear myself.
Alright, start talking about stories.
Alright, so when I was younger, I used to play hockey. I used to play hockey. And then oh my god, I used to, I played hockey. I played hockey, and then I went and started to ski. I used to ski a lot. I thought I said, oh my god, I thought I said that this would not be affiliated with my life, but now it is. So, I used to play hockey and ski, and then I got into mixed martial arts. Mixed martial arts, and I used to fight for fun and do that UFC stuff. So this is after I played hockey and skied. I got into that, and then I got really lazy and I started to play video games. Oh my god, this is gonna blow my head. Oh, whoa. Okay.
Don't stop.
No, I play video games, and then I started. Oh my god, I'm almost drunk. Okay, I played video game. I said that, and I started my channel to make videos. So I have guides, and I don't know. Am I yelling? I can't hear anything.
Just keep going. Keep going.
Okay, so I made videos and games for my channel, and this is really messing with me.
God.
Oh my god.
Okay, just finish the story up.
So I started my channel OMGJP, and I got really lazy, and I got really fat, and that's where I'm at today. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Oh my god. Holy. That really messed with me.
That is funny though.
Okay. I couldn't hear anything but like echoes.
Alright guys, so what Jesse was doing, and if you've never watched me or Mike's first Speech Jammer, this is what you sound like.
Just constant echoes, and it messes you up so much.
Yeah, so this is basically what it sounds like.
And it's that constant like echo, and hearing yourself, and it messes you up. Especially
it's the funniest concept in the world, but yeah. Hey, I thought I muted this already. Okay, this is just messed up now.
Okay, we're gonna possess computer.
Okay, now it's off. There we go. Alright guys, so this is OMGJP making himself sound like a fool, talking about his life.
Sorry, I sound like that in every video, so.
Alright, so anyway guys, please stay tuned in for more Marvin and Mark stuff, and yeah, just keep checking it out guys.
It made me look like an idiot. Like it, just like it. Peace.